Okay, now I want to show you how to prepare map and a track file in OCAD for printing, for digital printing. And we'll start from the beginning. I have received one map file and one course setting file from the organizer. So first we open the map file like this. And the first we want to do now is take away all the symbols that are not used in the map. This is important because we want to have as few colors, shades as possible. So we choose all the not used symbols and we take them away. Okay, here we can see that the map maker has also hidden a lot of symbols. We want to get rid of them as well, so we mark all of them like this. And take them away. So we can take away these symbols as well. Okay, now we only have symbols that are actual in the map. Now we go to the colors and we take away all colors that are not used in the map. Very often it can be hundreds of color shades because imported several map files to one or other mistakes perhaps. We take them away. As you can see, there was a hell of a lot of colors we shot here. Finally, we can see this. We want to show the colors in normal mode. And not in drawing mode, so we change to normal like this. This is important for the work. And very finally we optimize the map. In this case it was not so very much that space was taken away, but sometimes it's very much. So we save this. We are now done with the map so far. And we open the course setting file. Here we can see that there is some fonts that is not present in my computer, but we don't bother about that now. There are some logos that we want to have in the map. Here is some colors mistakes. We don't bother about that as well. Okay, here is the course setting file with the map as background. First, we take away the background, the map as background. We don't want it there. Like this. We go to colors. We take away all the colors that are not used. Here you can see there's quite a lot of colors used. Anyway, let's see what's happened here. Yeah, there are some symbols down here, but we don't bother about that. But we don't appreciate to have more colors in the course setting file than the actual course setting symbols. But it doesn't matter. We optimize like this. We save just to be sure. And now we are going to import the map. To the course setting file. And now it's important. Use ground coordinates. Import symbols and colors. Place the colors in the bottom of the color table. Change symbol status from normal to protected. This is important, otherwise we will get problems later on. The map is in place. So far so good. Now we go to the color table. And now you can see that the course settings colors are on top. The map colors are lower. Now we want to take this lower purple for course setting and take it down into the map. And we stop here. Now the lower course setting, purple, is below black, blue for point objects, brown for line objects, blue for line objects. Inside this brown, I hope that is also the point symbols. I think it's just a mistake in the map file. Okay. And now you can see, for example, here that the control circles are below black, brown, and blue line symbols, but they are above the marshes. This is correct so far. We check one actual course. Here we can see that we have a problem. The numbers, when we are talking about ISOM, should also be using the same purple as the lines and the circle. So obvious now the numbers have the wrong color defined. Okay, we have to take that down. Symbols. Yes, it says upper purple for course setting. We change this to lower. Check again. Now it's correct. Now we check the whole map, see if we have any other problems. Here we can see it's correct, it's upper purple. We check the OOB areas. Here we can see that it's not correct. The thick line and this raster shall be upper purple instead. Okay. We have to fix this. Upper have the line. Upper. Check again. Correct. Now perhaps someone will say that we have a problem with this raster, that you cannot see what's under it. The Map Commission has identified this problem, so in the updated version of the ISOM, this raster has a longer distance between the lines, and the lines are a little bit thinner. But now we are using for this example a competition from last year. Therefore we have this problem. But it shall be upper. Finally, we can see that we have a problem here. With the number 10, you can see that the 0 is suddenly below the road. It is a problem in OCAD that the road and the brown inside the road is too far up in the color table. The easiest way to fix this is just to do like this. But you have to be aware of this. Perhaps this is not so very good. You can have it there instead, if you like. But this is really the job for the course setter. But okay, we are prepared for printing. What we not have done now is that we have not checked the color shades, that they are correct compared to what your computer requests. Now this map, all the colors here are the default settings in the ISOM, but you have to adjust this for your printer and for your printer at this time, because this changes all the time. I will leave you here now because we are prepared for printing. How you proceed now, if you will print directly from OCAD, if you will create a PDF, or if you are using a RIP, whatever. It depends on what printer you have and what software you will use. So this is of course up to you and your capacity. But now I've shown you how to import the map into the course setting file and how to adjust the colors. Thank you for watching.